Good day, guys. Welcome back to the class. In today's video, we're looking at simultaneous linear equation. Now, for simultaneous linear equation, you need to have some basic ideas about collecting like terms, making a subject, a variable, with a formula, and the likes. Now, what's the linear equation? The linear equation basically is an equation whose power of the variable is 1. A quadratic equation is an equation whose power of the variable is 2. Polynomial is more than 2, and the rest. So, linear equation is an equation whose variable's power is 1. So, I'm giving the equation like x plus y equals 4. That's the linear equation because x and y as variables, their power is 1. Now, let's see how we can answer questions in what? Simultaneous linear equation. Give an equation like x minus y equals 5 and 2x plus y equals 7. Okay, when this question is our first equation, this second is our second equation. All I want to do now in simultaneous equation, we have two basic steps to what? Two basic ways of answering questions in simultaneous equation, which we have elimination method and what? Substitution method. For this class, I'll be looking at the elimination method, and for the next class, we'll be looking at what? Substitution method. But note, for simultaneous linear equation, or for simultaneous equation generally, you cannot use elimination question, elimination format, to answer all questions in simultaneous equation. But you can use substitution method to answer all questions. But it depends on who the question comes out. You can use elimination, you can use substitution. But just make sure you solve and get your answer. Okay, so for this class, we're looking at what? Elimination method towards solving simultaneous equation questions. Now, for elimination method, we have it to follow a particular format. In eliminating, the first thing you need to consider is what? Consider the coefficient of the variable you want to eliminate. If you want to eliminate x, I'll consider the coefficients if they're the same thing. Okay, if you want to eliminate y, I'll consider the coefficients if they're the same thing. If you're not the same thing, what will I do? I'll make the coefficient the same. Then I'll proceed. After making the coefficient the same, next thing I have to do is to what? Is to subtract or to add, depending on what? On the sign of the coefficient that I want to eliminate. Okay? Depending on the sign of the coefficient of the variables that I want to eliminate. So if x is 2 for equation 1, x also has to be what? 2 for equation 2. That becomes what? 2x plus whatever y. 2x plus whatever y in equation 1 and 2. And I add or subtract what? Eliminate. Now, how will I know I'm going to add? In eliminating, when you have the same sign, you're going to subtract. That is, when you have plus plus for equation 1 and equation 2, you subtract. When you have minus minus, you're also going to subtract. But when I have opposite signs, I will add. That's plus minus or what? Or minus plus, I'm going to do what? I'm going to add. Now, after that, I'm going to now what? Continue the factorizing and get your answer. So let's see how we can apply what else listed to solve this example. Now in this case, I want to use elimination method. So using elimination method. First now I'll do what? Check the coefficient of the variable I want to eliminate. Now x has variable 1, coefficient 1, for equation 1, and has coefficient 2 for equation what? For equation 2. In which case, for y, the coefficient of y is what? 1, minus 1. The coefficient of y in this case is plus 1. And so on. Since coefficient of my y is similar, what will I do? I'll check the coefficient of the variable I want to eliminate. Now for x in equation 1, the coefficient here is what? 1. For x in equation 2, the coefficient here is what? Is 2. For y, the coefficient here is what? 1. Apart from the sign, and the coefficient here is what? Is also 1. So it's easier for me to eliminate what? Y, because their coefficients are similar. Now to eliminating y, what will I do next? I'll check their signs now. I said earlier, the same sign, I'll do what? I'll subtract. Different sign, I'm going to do what? I'll add. In this case, they have what? Different sign, minus, plus. I'm going to what? Add. So I'm adding. Add equation 1 and what? 2 together. In which case all I have becomes what? 3x this becomes 0 when I add them together. 5 plus 7 is what? Is 12. Therefore, x is equals to what? 12 over what? 3. Therefore, x is equals to what? 4 on dividing. So, after now getting x, I will now what? Substitute x in any of the equations to get my what? To get my y. Now, substitute x, which is equal to 4, into what? Equation 1. It's a simpler equation. Okay, so what will I do? That now becomes what? X minus y is equal to 5, which is equation 1. X is already 4, it becomes what? 4 minus y is equal to what? 5. Take y to this side, bring 5 here, it becomes what? 4 minus 5 is equal to what? Y. 4 minus 5 is what? Minus 1 is equal to y. Therefore, y is also equal to what? Minus 1. So that's how to what? To use the elimination method to what? Solving questions in some of those equations. So the first thing I have to do is to what? Check the question of the variable to eliminate first. That's first two. Then after checking the question of the variable to eliminate, we are going to do what? Check the signs. Okay? Where for the same sign, we are going to do what? Subtract this. Different sign, we are going to do what? We are going to add. Then you factorize and get what? X and y.